bucketheads, you're gonna get bit!
Oh my god, what a legend.
You're gonna get bit!
What's up, Galonks? Sorry, this one's coming to us a bit late today. It's Wednesday. I failed my goal. It doesn't even matter. I don't even want to get into it. This one's titled Suspect in Stolen SUV Tries to Escape Deputies, Then Stops to Drink Vodka. Alright, let's jump in. I'm assuming the sound's going to come on when he turns the lights and sirens on. That's how ours used to work. It appears they're on, so. This one also comes from police activity. Obviously.
Stolen Explorer. We're yielding at Capitol.
One thing I always see and take note of is when the brake lights don't ever go off. Meaning their foot is still on the brake pad. Meaning the car is still not in park. Meaning they might run. They're gonna run, probably.
What?
Capital and what was across?
Tumwater Valley Drive.
Covert off.
Ops 1 units, Ops 1's gonna be on in code 10 for occupied stolen Capital and Tumwater Boulevard 1638.
Yeah, we never saw the vehicle shift into park.
Start me, Tumwater priority.
So this guy's just sitting here with his foot on the brake.
Driver, exit the vehicle.
105.
Exit the car with your hands up, Marcus.
See ya.
5-8, we're taking off, southbound Capitol.
Whoa.
Received taking off southbound Capital.
Move!
13 echo. 5-8. Please confirm that stolen. Southbound speeds are 90.
Going westbound Trosper.
Westbound Trosper.
Pop the roundabout.
This
Go
is
westbound.
either early in the morning or
Westbound through the roundabout.
approaching nighttime.
Looks
And
like
I
we're
say,
going I-5.
guys, I say that because of the position of the sun in the sky.
South.
Received entering I-5 south. Drive road speeds are 100, light traffic.
Hey Jeep, could you get over? Thanks. What about you, Volkswagen? Thank you.
5-8, same thing. Speeds of 100, dry roads, light traffic. He's in the far right lane.
Received continuing speeds 100, light traffic, far right lane.
Beautiful trees.
Approaching 93rd, medium traffic. 5836, I'm just ahead of you.
Sounds good. He's splitting lanes. He's going to cause a wreck here.
Sketchy, dude.
36, you take the pursuit since you're marked.
Damn, dude.
Still light traffic, just passing 99, speeds of 100. Light traffic passing 99, speeds are 100.
36 is number 1 in the pursuits. I'm going to call it number 2. Still
Okay,
southbound.
so usually the second unit, the secondary unit in the pursuit, so now the guy we're watching the perspective of, we'll call the pursuit basically just so the first guy can focus on driving, like 100% driving.
Speeds of 95. Light traffic.
Machine 36 taking over 5-8 will be primary, speeds 95, southbound I-5.
There was one weekend where, I kid you not, I had a pursuit on Friday night, and then the very next night I had a pursuit again. I was kind of annoyed at that point. Because it was night shift.
Sam 13, can you advise him hope he has eyes? County units will back off at that point. Sam 13.
Speeds of 100 still southbound. Going under 113th Ave.
Holy shit. Taking this exit quick. This guy?
Westbound Maytown, speeds of 80.
Westbound Maytown, speeds are 80.
36, just go for it.
God, that's a
Can work
fast
that
corner,
yourself.
man. Probably took that at 50.
Yeah.
For those curious, my department did not allow that to happen. Pit maneuvers, that was a big no-no. I wish I just would have done it once anyway, though. Looking back now.
Let me grapple him.
Applying grapple. Word. 5-3's calling in. We're just south of Midtown on case. Yeah. Receive vehicle crash Midtown in case.
Okay, so
We're still rolling.
I've never seen one of these work in real time. I don't know how they work.
50-foot bails, let the dog go.
I've seen things that shoot like a GPS.
5-8 my grapple, bro.
That charger's like, oh shit.
Grapple at 1642.
Yeah, I don't know what the grapple does. I really don't.
Hit. Copy, curve day.
Marcus, show me your fucking hands. You're gonna get bit.
Oh my god, what a legend.
You're gonna get bit.
Just chugging on that SVEDKA.
Watch that guy. Yeah, good boy, Asher. Watch that guy, Asher. Yeah.
Dude. Legend. The legend of Bagravance. Right there. Saint SVEDKA.
Watch that guy. Yeah, good boy, Asher. Watch that guy, Asher. Yeah.
You gotta respect it. I mean, you really gotta respect,
Watch that guy.
you gotta respect it. I mean, that is some Grand Theft Auto shit right there. Saint SVEDKA himself. Wearing the champion sweater. Wow. I mean, what a victory lap. Truly amazing. I am at a loss for words. He's a legend. That's all I have to say. That's going to be in the title. Absolute legend. Runs from the police and then drinks vodka. Absolute legend. Runs from police, drinks vodka. Keeps going and then he stops. No, that's a reference to The Office. Okay, so yeah, that one comes from Police Activity. Appreciate that. Again, this guy's a legend. If you think I'm a legend, let me know below. If you don't think I'm a legend, let me know below. Let me know why. I take all criticism. Bad, good. I mean, you can say whatever you want. This is the internet. You can say whatever you want to me in the comments. I wish you guys would talk to me. That'd be cool. But you have free will, so I can't make you do anything. I would appreciate if you liked and subscribed and commented. That'd be cool. I would appreciate that. God, I keep looking at that. Literally so badass. But don't drink alcohol. I mean, this is the one exception to all the videos we've seen together. This is the one exception to the alcohol rule that I'm always talking about. Yeah. So this guy, again, legend. Anyway, I'm going to end the video, so we're going to keep it under 10 minutes. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you tonight for Squink Advises Reddit. See ya. We'll see you around. See you tomorrow, or tonight. Bye.